Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the workbook you want. Once open, look at the top edge. The ribbon is your menu bar area. If you don't see tabs like Home, Insert, or View, press Alt to reveal shortcut letters and confirm the interface is active. Make sure you're not in full screen reading mode or a locked protected view. Those hide menu elements. Now, move to toggle and restore the full ribbon so you can access commands quickly. You'll want the full menu visible, so click the ribbon display options icon at the window's top right and choose Show Tabs and Commands. Once done, double-click any tab to pin the ribbon in place, which keeps commands visible. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus F1 to toggle the ribbon quickly. This helps when screen space is tight. If you use a touch device, tap the three-dot menu and select the same option so the menu bar stays accessible during your edits. To finish, verify that standard tabs like Home, Insert, and View are visible and that commands are clickable. This confirms the menu is restored. If something's still wrong, make sure you're not in full screen or protected view and check view settings. If the menu remains hidden, restart Excel and disable recent add-ins that alter the UI. One quick troubleshooting tip: restarting in safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.